Yes. Alright, let me just do a little quick snack. Just a little quick snack, little potato and stuff. I'm just gonna cut them up. And so I cut them. Got 2 spoons just to keep them there. And this is how it look. Look like that. Just get some olive oil on that. Just gonna leave it in the oven for about 10 minutes. We've got little herbs here. So we got oregano, basil, all the spices. You can mix as anything you want. All there with some olive oil, salt, all of that mixed up together. After adding the herbs, this goes back in the oven for another 10-15 minutes. This is what it comes out like. Lovely.